I'm not doing this for fame, not for the headlines they write. I'm walking through the fire into a brand new life. I'm fixing all the pieces that the cynic tore apart. I'm rebuilding this whole universe right inside my heart. Not to impress the masses or prove what I can do. No, every single step I take is just for you. I threw away the mask